So previously I have made a video on how you can use third-party apps in ChatGPT, but for this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove or uninstall third-party apps from your ChatGPT account. So let's get into it. Let's open ChatGPT, and here I'm using the desktop web version, and after that you can open the sidebar, go to apps, and then you can navigate to the app that you want to uninstall or remove from your account. And in this case, I do have Adobe Photoshop, and you'll see that there is a check mark icon in the app, meaning that the particular app is actually installed or connected to your account. Now I'm going to open it, and you can click on this gear icon, and you can click disconnect. Just wait for it, and the app will be removed or disconnected from your ChatGPT account. So this is good for decluttering or just keeping your privacy in check on your account. Now, another way you can uninstall third-party apps on your ChatGPT account is by opening your profile and then go to settings and then go to apps, and then you'll see a list of apps that are available on your account. You can open it and then you can click disconnect. So that's another way you can disconnect third-party apps from your ChatGPT account. But yeah, that's basically the whole process to remove connected apps from your ChatGPT account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.